Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome back to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove unwanted tabs in your Gmail inbox. So without further ado, let's get started. If you want to hide these promotions or social tabs or add more, so I got you. So all you have to do is go to settings, click see all settings, go to inbox, and then as you can see, the categories is right here. So if you want to hide the tab, just uncheck it, and if you want to add it, just put a check on the box. Here in start messages, you can also include start in primary, and there's also a part here in promotions where you can enable bundling of top promo emails, and if you click it, it will be removed, of course. So after you have customized your categories, just click save changes and reload your inbox, and as you can see, the promotions and the social is now removed. And yeah, so we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!